Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video, but this time this is a project share that I wanted to show you something small. So the items that I used for this project, I will link down the video that I did, I think it was like last month, where I purchased these items just in case you guys are interested in them. So I did this project a month ago and I finished it. However, I couldn't show you guys because I had to make sure that the recipients received it before I showed it, because I didn't want to you know, let them know that I made these for them, because it's part of their wrapping for their gift that I had put together for them, because it's their birthday. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick. I used these letter beads. These beads, those who watch me know already where I purchased these, but again, I will link down below the video so you guys can see where I purchased all of these goodies at. And then I used these from the box. So let me go ahead and get started and show you what I made with these. And also, I like to give a shout out to Crafty Kimchi, because she is the one, I'm new to her channel, so if you guys don't know who she is, go check her out, but I will link down her video below because she did a tutorial on these, so make sure you guys go follow her. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Just want to show you, I made these dangles. You guys know that dangles have been around for a while. This is a new twist. I mean, not really a new twist, but I am loving these beads, you guys. So far, these are my favorite beads. I love them because they are matte. They're not like sparkly or shiny or your regular beads. They're matte, and I love the colors. So these here, I believe I purchased them from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So either one of them should have this. And then the yarn here that I used is from, got this from Daiso. The yarn from Tassel like years ago when they first opened, so I don't even know if they sell it anymore. So I made these super cute. I love how organic they look. They're chunky, and you know, I was gonna cover this part, but I was like, nope, I like it just the way it is. So I made these, and then I also made a purple one, and this is also from Daiso. The Daiso yarn. It has like little silver specks in it, and that's just a different color combo. White one, and I had a hard time, no, I didn't have a hard time with a thicker yarn. So if you guys make this, you want to make sure that you probably use a thinner yarn or thread. Here's this color combo, super cute. I love it. I love them all. I miss doing dangles. I haven't did them in a long time. It's been a while, but I loved using these beads because they're so pretty. And then if you guys watched my last video, I mentioned that my daughter wanted to make some beads or a dangle so she can give it to her friends before school ended. So I'm only going to show you hers because she already gave it to her friends because school already ended about 2 weeks ago. So here's the one that I made my dear little Marley. I didn't use any, what do you call that? Any findings on this one. I just tied it like this because she's just going to tie it onto her backpack or something. And I love how colorful this one is. So I made that one. And then I'll show you the ones I made for Anna and Roxy. Roxy loves pinks and corals. So I made her this dangle right here. And then this is a different clip. It's a bigger clip than this one. So I figured they can clip it on their purse or whatnot. But I actually made these because I wanted to clip it onto their gift basket that I made for them for their birthday. So yeah. And that's why I didn't want to show you this before I gave it to them, because they would have saw what was part of their gift. So here's Anna. Anna's is cool because you could read it either way, going left to right or right to left. She loves yellows and pinks, and so I made Anna this one. So yeah, and I tried to make one for Rosanna, but that one was a fail. That one actually broke into pieces on the bottom of my floor at work because I started doing these at work on my downtime when I had time. So here's all my little yarn beaded dangles. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out the links in the description box for where I purchased all these items to make this, as well as the link to the tutorial that Crafty Kimchi did. So I hope everybody has an amazing weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.